Traffic chaos on the Chogam Road in Porvarim has left the residents fuming. The ongoing sewage work on the Chogam Road has added to the traffic woes. The residents also pointed out to a compound wall built by a school which is, according to the locals, hindering the smooth flow of the traffic. Big Tycoon brings to you settlement plot at Dargal near Mopa Airport. Price starts from 15,000 rupees per square meter.
We are talking of diverting the traffic as per the new bypass road. But repair at least in roads. What is all this nonsense? These are two separate properties. This person bought this and subsequently bought this. Now he has grabbed a lane. Now how can you grab the lane of a communard? So that means the communard also is involved.
Yeah.
I as a member of the, make an allegation that they are involved. See what they have done. They made a garden and all. How can you, this is a public lane.
Fire brigades passes by, ambulances passes by, senior citizens want to pass. People are going to the airport. What is happening? We are going to work. What is happening? On top they say no, this is ours. And even the RD principal has said that you do what you all want. So we are here in Sangolda and we are going to listen to these outsiders here. Is it right? You tell me. I'm not come here to fight even about the sewage. This thing is going to go on for a short while. But what happens? We are going to be suffering here for years as long as this party comes and takes this out. Where is this parking space? Now that full road has a hole. People who are driving late night, anytime there is going to be an accident. Are they going to look after the father or mother who's going to be dead there? This school should be stopped. We have even gone to the panchayat. We have gone to the polices, but no use. All money works. You show them a 500 note and that's it. That place, panchayat, is a den of robbers.
These are two properties. There is a communard lane. See, they barricaded that. Now, who is involved? Communard is involved also. The panchayat is involved. How can they barricade a lane, a public lane, between two properties? So there's something unheard of, such things. And this is a new construction. Have they followed the setback rules? I've got a property opposite AJ supermarket. I've left 12.5 meters from the center of the road. See, like that. Old construction we can understand, but these are all new constructions. And because of this compound wall, there is so much traffic jam. And also, once this sewage work is over, once the elevated bypass road starts, again there's going to be confusion. So we'll be facing these consequences for the next 2 years. That's what the contractor says. It will take 2 years to do that elevated corridor. So meanwhile, we'll have to suffer for another 2 more years.
And this is getting bad to us for many reasons. One reason is they are digging and they are digging again and again. Second reason is that the police are not doing their duty in keeping the traffic police here in the morning and in the evening or in the afternoon. Third thing is the RD school. See, this is basically, how can they call themselves a school when they are teaching the children the wrong things?
Same thing I was saying.
So if they are earning 30 crores a year on their fees, if this wall goes and these poles go, we can get another say 3-4 meters extra. So the traffic can be ruled. Now, sometime back there was some proposition to demolish the wall, but nothing has happened. In due course of time, either the panchayat is taking a bribe from somebody, the MLA has got a bribe from somebody, or the elected representative has got a bribe from somebody. If this wall goes, at least this stretch, that wall also can go. Only his wall is there. This 3-6 meters can go this side, because this side you can't touch anything. At least this part, okay, because there is open space there. Now this sewage what they are doing, why are they doing it again and again? It's now almost 6 months they are doing it. 2 years back Jayesh had did this road and they said it's a new road. Now they broke the road, they did put the sewage. If this sewage burst, if the sewage has a problem, how they had in Ponda, where is the sewage going to go? I am down. Okay, it's going to flow down and go into that fellow's house, Barreto's house. So he's down. There is no provision made. See, they have disturbed so many people by taking it right round. They should have taken it that side straight. They would only have to disturb at Tiskar, that one 500 meters. Now they have disturbed more than 6 kilometers.
Here it's so dangerous, it's like a death trap. It's worse than Banastari. These things over here, there's going to be a heavy accidents. All illegal constructions over here. Schools, alcohol shops, hotels. It's not fair here. And there is a big ditch over there. Open for 6 months. 6 months and nobody is doing anything.
आमकां डेली हांगासर ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता. सकाळची 2-2 वरां तुम्हाला लायनीक रावचें पडटा. ही ट्रॅफिक माझे पर्सनल काय ना, हांव कोणाचे अगेन्स्ट काय उलयना, पूण हांव सांगोळ्याच्या विलेजरांक एक कायंड रिक्वेस्ट करता, भायर सरा असल्या टायमार आनी आमची प्रॉब्लम जाता पळय ती सॉल्व जातली, ना जाल्यार असली प्रॉब्लम कंटिन्यू चालूच उरतली आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक फुडें त्रास जातले. सो ताका लागून न्हिदोन राव नाकात घरा, मातशे तरी भायर सरा. जे भाशेन तुमी पळय टायम काडून तुमच्या वोटिंगाक येता पळय, दीसभर तुमी हांगासर वोटिंगाक रावता लायनीच्या लायनी, तेच भाशेन केन्ना सांगोळा विलेजात त्रास जाले जाल्यार लोकांनी मातशे भायर सरचे आनी आमकां सपोर्ट करचो.
पयलींच आमी जो पीएन आमच्या हेजो वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांट येयला पळय तेका लागून आमी त्रास काडटा. आतां ती पिळा ही आतां थोड्या दिसांनी समज हे पायपलायन समज फुटलें धर परवरकाराची घाण ही सांगोळ्याच्या लोकांक खावची पडटली आनी सांगोळ्याच्या लोकांनी जर विचार करपाक जावो. हांवें सांगोळ्याच्या लोकांक अपील केल्लें तुमी हांगा येया म्हणून. आतां म्हाका आयकोन येयला त्या प्रमाणे खूब जण प्रेशर घातलो खंय तो भायलो येतलो आनी हांव उलयतलो आनी तुमी कितें आंगार येतले म्हणून. हांव सांगूंक सोदतां गोंय हे प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचें कोणीय खंय उलोवंक शकता आनी हो जो प्रश्न आसा हो सर्वसामान्याचो. म्हाजे इतकेच सरकारा कडेन मागणी आसा जी सेवेचे तुमी पळय कितें करता न्हू प्लांट ते प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात घालचे आनी थंयचीच तेजी विल्हेवाट लावची. दुसऱ्याच्या गांवांत दुसऱ्याचे गांव पाड घालपाचो ना. दुसरो उरली गजाल ट्राफिकेची. आतां तुमी फाटल्यान पळयतले दिसता तुमकां तें हें आतां आरडी स्कूल म्हणून आमकां कोणाय तें खबर ना स्कूल, पण हे स्कूल टोटली इल्लीगल आसा आनी म्हाका जो सोर्स गावला त्या प्रमाणे हेजे जे कंपाऊंड आहा पळय ते टोटली डेमोलिशनाक काडलेले आसा पंचायतीन. पूण फुडें एक कित्याक जायना, हांगर सकाळची वरां ट्राफिक ब्लॉक जाता. एखादी एम्ब्युलन्स समज येयली जाल्यार तो मनीस हॉस्पिटलांत पावच्या पयलीं मरात काय हे मोठे संकट बाबा ते फॅमिलीचेर पडलेले आसता. हांव सरकारा कडेन परती एक मागणी करता, हो जो प्लांट आसा तुमी सांगोळ्याच्या लोकांक कित्याक हितून घेवंक ना, कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवंक ना. तेंच्या भुरग्या बाळाचे फ्युचर येणारी पिढी तेंची समज फाल्यां पायपलायन फुटली जाल्यार हे भोग सांगोळ्या लोकांक भोगचे पडटा.